Sometimes change begins with a conversation. The Tulsa County Sheriff's Office and an organization called Color-Free America hope a conversation in a barbershop will help people understand some of the problems going on in our community. News on 6's Ryan Gillen was there and joins us with more on what they talked about today. Ryan?
Chin, Michael Counselor owns Barber King near 21st and Memorial, and he tries to create a safe space for his customers to have discussions about what's happening where they live. Michael Counselor believes the conversation going on in his barbershop is as important as the haircut.
Kind of chop it up, and sometimes it gets heated, sometimes it gets, more emotional than we want, but they're free to do that here in the barbershop.
That's why he decided to bring in Dr. Howard Hatcher with the organization Color-Free America and the Tulsa County Sheriff Vic Regalado to encourage dialogue between people and law enforcement.
I think this is like the healing process where we're not to be so intimidated about the police and the sheriff's presence, but to be comfortable and be free and not be so, standoffish. So I think it's a good deal. It's a big deal that they're here.
Color-Free America is working with TCSO on a program to help deputies better manage the stress of the job, as well as how to deal with someone experiencing a mental health crisis.
We have input with law enforcement for mental health. We can have input for citizens who need a pathway to recovery.
Set records right here in Oklahoma on fentanyl overdose deaths.
The sheriff talked about the dangers of fentanyl.
The danger of it all and what the law enforcement is dealing with, they have a different perspective from what we are right in the middle of the trenches of it all.
Counselor hopes today's discussion will be the start of something bigger.
Every age bracket represented and everybody on the same page. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Counselor hopes to schedule more talks at the barbershop with Dr. Howard's help and bring in other leaders from the community. Ryan Gillen, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.